सीटीटी के 7 फेब 2026 पार्ट 1 ईवीएस के आंसर कीज आज हम देखेंगे पेपर 1 के। तो चलिए बिना कोई वक्त ज़ाया किए हम चलते हैं क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स की तरफ और जानते हैं क्या है इनके क्वेश्चंस के रिस्पेक्टिव आंसर। आज का सब्जेक्ट जो हम कवर कर रहे हैं वो है ईवीएस एनवायरमेंटल स्टडीज। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 61, the approximate distance between the capital of Madhya Pradesh Bhopal and the capital of Maharashtra Mumbai is 756 km. If a train covers this distance in nearly 14 hours, the average speed of the train in meters per second is 900 meters per second, 15 meters per second, 30 meters per second या फिर 54 meters per second. So the correct answer to question number 61 is option 2, which is 15 meters per second. Question number 62. Consider the following characteristics of houses. A. Wooden floor and wooden flat ceilings. Ground floor without window for animals and storing necessary materials. Elevated houses made with slanting roofs and stone pillars. Thick walls made of stones, mud and lime. The characteristics found in the houses of Leh and Ladakh are option 1 ABC, second BCD, third ACD एंड फोर्थ ABD। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 62 जो है उसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 4, विच इज A, B एंड D, यानी कि वुडन फ्लोर एंड वुडन फ्लैट सीलिंग्स, फिर ग्राउंड फ्लोर विदाउट विंडो फॉर एनिमल्स एंड स्टोरिंग नेसेसरी मटेरियल्स एंड थिक वॉल्स मेड ऑफ स्टोन्स, मड एंड लाइम। सो 62 का जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन 4। फिर चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 63 की तरफ। सिलेक्ट फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग अ स्टेट वेयर द मीनिंग ऑफ टोरांग इज जंगल। ऑप्शन 1 इज असम, झारखंड, मिजोरम, मेघालय। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 63 का जो सही आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 2, विच इज झारखंड। चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 64 की तरफ। कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट नेपेंथिस पिचर प्लांट। This plant has leaves which are pitcher shaped and mouth is covered with a leaf. This plant has a special smell that attracts insects to it. This plant is very common in cold deserts of Ladakh and Russia. This plant can trap and eat small insects, frogs and even mice. These animals, when land on the mouth of the plant, they get trapped and cannot get out of it. The correct statements are option 1 A and B only, option 2 A and D only, option 3 A, B and C, option 4 A, B and D। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 64 जो है उसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन 4, विच इज A, B and D। चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 65 की तरफ। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज नॉट ट्रू अबाउट द हाउसेस ऑफ श्रीनगर इन कश्मीर। द ओल्ड हाउसेस हियर आर मेड ऑफ स्टोन, bricks and wood. Some old houses have special types of windows which come out of the wall. These are called dub. Houseboats on Dal Lake are one of the attractions of Srinagar. Many families in Srinagar live in dongas which are built in hilly areas. So the answer of question number 65 is option 4, which is many families in Srinagar live in dongas which are built in hilly areas, is not true. Moving on to question number 66. Consider the following statements about beehives. Every beehive has only one queen bee that lay eggs. There are few males in the hive who make the hive. The number of females is much more than the males in the hive. These female bees are worker bees who work all day. They look after the baby bees. The worker bees fly around flowers in search of nectar for honey. On finding flowers with nectar, they do a special kind of dance by which other bees also join them to collect the nectar. The correct statements are option A and B, option A, B, C, third option A, C, D, and fourth option A and D. So the correct answer to question number 66 is option 4, A and D. That is, every beehive has only one queen bee that lays egg, and the worker bees fly around flowers in search of nectar for honey. On finding flowers with nectar, they do special kind of dance by which other bees join them. So moving on to question number 67. So consider the following statements about elephants. Elephants live in herd. A herd may have 20 to 25 female elephants and the young ones. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 9 to 10 years. The oldest female takes all the decisions of the herd. The correct statements are A and C, B and D, A and D और option 4 जो है A, C and D. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 67 जो है उसका जो सही जवाब है वो है ऑप्शन 3 which is A and D. Elephants live in a herd and the older female takes all the decisions in the herd. Question number 68. More than 1,000 years ago, Al-Biruni, a traveler from Uzbekistan, had described his observations about India. Which of the following observations were recorded in Al-Biruni's book? People of India are very skilled at making ponds. Horses are used to draw carts in India. Step wells have separate steps for going up and coming down. Lakes and johads are built to collect water. Choose the correct option. Option A, B, B and C, C and D, and A and C. So the correct answer to question number 68 is option 4, which is A and C. So moving on to question number 69. People who have been living in the forest for at least dash have a right over the forest land and what is grown in it according to the Right to Forest Act 2007. 20 years, 25 years, 30 years or 35 years. So the correct answer to question number 69 is option 2, which is 25 years. Moving on to question number 70 over here. Read assertion A and reason R carefully. Assertion: domestication of animals was a gradual process that took place in many parts of the world. Reason R: the earliest domesticated animals include sheep and goat. Choose the correct options. Both A and R are true and R explains A. Both A and R are true but R does not explain A. A is true but R is false. A is false but R is true. So the correct answer to question number 70 is option number 2, that is both A and R are true but R does not explain A. Question number 71. Which one of the following animals was not reared by the Harappans? Sheep, goat, buffalo or horse? और the correct answer जो है 71 क्वेश्चन का वो है ऑप्शन 4 जो है हॉर्स. चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 72 की तरफ. Which of the following states union territories were carved out in the Indian Union in the last 25 years? पुदुचेरी, गोवा, सिक्किम, तेलंगाना, छत्तीसगढ़, लद्दाख, उत्तराखंड, मध्य प्रदेश, झारखंड, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, सिक्किम और अरुणाचल. सो द करेक्ट आंसर टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 72 जो है वो है ऑप्शन 2 जो है तेलंगाना, छत्तीसगढ़ और लद्दाख. Question number 73. You must have heard about the famous Olympian Karnam Maileshwari. What game did she play in international events? Wrestling, cricket, women's, weightlifting or chess? So the correct answer to question number 73 is option 3, which is weightlifting. Question number 74. Which of the following statements is true about Madhubani paintings in the area in which they originated? It is an old form of folk art that originated in the state of Rajasthan. These paintings are done on the floor using brush and indigo in the Mithilia region of Bihar. These paintings are mainly influenced by Mughal art and culture. It has its roots in Mithilia region of Bihar and these are made out of paste of powdered rice in which colors are mixed. So the correct answer to क्वेश्चन नंबर 74 जो है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 4, यानी कि इट हैज इट्स रूट्स इन मिथिलिया रीजन ऑफ बिहार एंड दीज आर मेड आउट ऑफ पेस्ट ऑफ पाउडर्ड राइस इन विच कलर्स आर मिक्स्ड. चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 75 की तरफ. तो रीड assertion A and reason R carefully. Mixture of cow dung and mud is used to coat the floor of houses. Reason: cow dung helps to regulate the temperature inside the house and keeps the insects away. Choose the correct options. So option 1 जो है both and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false. A is false but R is true. तो जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 75 है उसका सही आंसर जो है वो है ऑप्शन 1. बोथ ए एंड आर आर ट्रू एंड आर इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ए. चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 76 की तरफ. मैच द कॉलम ए, मैच द कॉलम ए विद कॉलम बी. सो कॉलम ए में क्या है? पी असेसमेंट, रूब्रिक बेस्ड रेटिंग स्केल, असेसमेंट एज लर्निंग, पेपर पेंसिल टेस्ट. कॉलम बी जो है टूल ऑफ असेसमेंट, सेल्फ लर्निंग, समेटिव असेसमेंट, टेक्निक असेसमेंट. अभी चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रीड आउट, यहाँ पे मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगा क्योंकि बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाएगा। मैं आपको सीधे सीधे इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन देता हूं, ऑप्शन नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4 में से, यानी जो करेक्ट आंसर जो है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 3 जो है ये। यानी कि अगर हम एक्चुअल आंसर रीड आउट करें यहाँ पे, तो A is fourth यानी P assessment is a technique of assessment. B, that is rubric based rating scale, is again sorry, A का जो है is one technique of assessment, B जो है tool of assessment, C जो है rubric based assessment of learning जो है is number 2 which is self learning, और D जो है assessment of learning जो है which is summative assessment. So these are the correct answers. So option number 76 का correct answer है 3. फिर चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 77 की तरफ. Which of the following statements are correct about learning of EVS? Children are naturally curious to learn. Children are passive recipients in learning. Children need teacher for learning. Children learn better in collaborative groups. Choose the correct options. Option A and B, B and C, A and D, or A and C. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 77 जो है उसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन आंसर बेसिकली जो है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 3 जो है ए और डी. 78 क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपोनेंट्स बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब द मीनिंग ऑफ ईवीएस? एक्यूमुलेशन ऑफ फैक्ट्स, ऑब्जर्वेशन, आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस, एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन. चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस. एबीसी, एसीडी, एबीडी और बीसीडी. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 78 है उसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 4 विच इज बी, सी एंड डी. तो चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 79 की तरफ. द नॉलेज ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एन ईवीएस टीचर? फैक्ट्स, प्रिंसिपल्स एंड लॉज ऑफ ईवीएस, हाउ चिल्ड्रन लर्न ईवीएस, हाउ टू टीच ईवीएस, कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड करिकुलम्स ऑफ ईवीएस. सो जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 75 है उसका जो सही आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन 2 which is how children learn EVS. Question number 80. Harleen asked her teacher, why do roses have thorns? What must be the pedagogy of an EVS teacher towards this curiosity? So first one, tell that roses have thorns to protect itself from animals. Tell that all roses do not have thorns. Tell her to find out which other plants have thorns. Ask her to observe animals eating plants with and without thorns. So the correct answer to question number 80 is option 4. Ask her to observe animals eating plants with and without thorns. चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 81 की तरफ. ईशा ऑफ क्लास 4th asked her teacher why cows do not lay eggs. What is your most appropriate response if you are Isha's teacher? Reply that cows are mammals which give birth to young ones. Ask her relate laying of eggs giving birth to their visible ears and whose ears cannot be seen. Ask her to find out herself the reason for this. Ask other students of the class to answer Isha's question. So the correct answer to option number 80, question number 81 जो है वो है second one. Ask her relate laying of eggs giving birth to their visible ears and whose ears cannot be seen. Question number 82, 81 का number 2 है. Moving on to question number 82 sorry. An EVS teacher wants to use storytelling as a strategy for teaching and learning. Which of the following are the most suitable for this? Contextual stories, folk stories, student written stories, stories focusing on morals. Choose the correct options. A and D, B and D, C and D, A, B और C. तो जो 82 है उसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 4 विच इज A, B and C. चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 83 की तरफ. Teacher asks students to draw an animal. Poonam draws an animal having body parts of different animals. What should a teacher do? Scold Poonam for drawing an absurd animal. Ask Poonam why she has drawn parts of different animals. Tell Poonam that no such animals exist. Ask Poonam the name of the animal she has drawn. Choose the correct option. A, C, B and D, C and D or 4 only A. So the correct जो आंसर है क्वेश्चन नंबर 83 का वो है Ask Poonam why she has drawn parts of different animals. क्वेश्चन नंबर 84 की तरफ चलते हैं. इफ अ टीचर वांट्स दैट स्टूडेंट्स लर्न अबाउट द प्लांट डाइवर्सिटी, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर मोस्ट सुटेबल एक्टिविटीज फॉर दिस? Ask students to look for objects which has patterns or leaves on them in their house. Recite a poem to students written on different types of plants and their characteristics. Blindfold students and ask the students to identify plants by smelling crushed leaves. Ask students to collect leaves of plants and make pictures of different animals using the leaves. Choose the correct option B and C, A and D, A and B, C and D. तो 84 जो क्वेश्चन है उसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 4 विच इज C and D. क्वेश्चन नंबर 85 की तरफ हम चलते हैं. Which of the following elements best describe the nature of EVS? Established facts, logical information, observation, scientific terminology, experimentation. Choose the correct options. Option A and C, B and D, D and E और C and E. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 85 जो है उसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन 4 विच इज C and E. 86 क्वेश्चन की तरफ हम बढ़ते हैं. Read the following statements A and B carefully. Recommendation of NCF 2005 is to discourage rote learning of information. Recommendation of NCF 2005 is to discourage maintenance of sharp boundaries between different subject areas. Choose the correct options. Both A and B are true. Both A and B are false. A is true, B is false, or A is false but B is true. तो जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 86 है उसका जो सही आंसर है वो है फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, बोथ A and B are true. Moving on to question number 87. Chinu wants to know how day and night occur. Which of the following methods will be best to explain this to Chinu? Explanation with diagrams, working model, PowerPoint presentation, storytelling. तो जो करेक्ट आंसर है 87 का वो है अ वर्किंग मॉडल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 88. Read the following statements A and B carefully. In EVS learning, the challenge is to respect the multicultural dimensions of diverse classrooms. In EVS learning, every student should feel important, community, culture, and his way of life. Choose the correct options. Both A and B are true. Both A and B are false. A is true, but B is false. A is false, but B is true. So the answer to question number 88 is option number 1, which is both A and B are true. Moving on to the second last question of EVS over here. Discussion is used by the EVS teachers in their classes because discussion develops social interaction among children. Discussion supports authentic and meaningful learning. Meaningful construction of knowledge occurs when ideas are shared. Discussion is suitable for the emotionally balanced children. Choose the correct options. BCD, ABC, ABD or A, C and D. तो जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 89 है उसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन नंबर 2 A, B एंड C. चलते हैं आज के हमारे इस सब्जेक्ट के लास्ट क्वेश्चन में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 90. An environmental studies teacher asked his class 3 children to visit the school garden and collect different types of leaves. Which of the following process skills does the teacher want to develop among children? Observation and classification, only experimentation, only classification, fourth creative expression and experimentation with leaves. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 90 जो है उसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 1, ऑब्जर्वेशन एंड क्लासिफिकेशन. तो उम्मीद है दोस्तों आपको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें